Hi, good morning. Paul here, the Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. Let's see what's going on with the Las Vegas real estate market this fine August 5th, 2019 morning. So let's see, new listings. Okay, so today we've got about 12 already. It's been put in the system. We have this little condo, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 820 square feet, built in 03. We're on Alexander. What happened here? There it is. Interesting. So it's got a garage. Pretty clean. Updated a little bit. Pretty nice. And it's over on Rainbow and Alexander. Alright. So let's go with the highest priced, which is a $3.95 million house. 9,200 square feet. My gosh. 5 bedrooms, 6 baths, 4-car garage, a pool, and a spa built in 07. Man. 9,000 square feet. Whew. It's a drone shot. Pool there, open living area there. Strip out there. Massive. Door. Love that door. Great kitchen. Doesn't even look like it's lived in. Theater. Spiral staircase. Looks like it's got a big, huge steam shower. Gosh. On a golf course. Like Lake Las Vegas or something. I know it's not though. 606. It's here somewhere. Anthem Country Club maybe. Crazy. One big house. Horizon Ridge, Valley Verde, Down Highlands, okay. Alright, then yesterday we have this little guy, 115,000. It is out of the area. Wonder what it is though. Fence, nice. It's a condo. Where is it though? 701 Boulder Park, Boulder City, okay. And we have this out of the area, manufactured home. Finally get something in the area here. 1-story manufactured home, 1,300 square feet, built in 87, 169,000. That's a manufactured home. Nah. Something's wrong. Something's wrong here. maybe it is converted to real property and modified. What's it say here? Single family home. Converted. Yep. That is interesting. That's on the 95. 515. Okay, interesting there. Alright, so let's go to the next one. 769. This is on the market yesterday, of course. 769 Red Rock. Nice pool. Not too impressed with that one, but it's not my problem. Desert Inn and Red Rock. Rawr. Okay. Let's do something interesting here. Find out what the highest and lowest priced properties are in the market. It's too many to sort. Okay. So let's go back to this. Back on the market, 122 properties. Look at all these fallouts. Whoa. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. There's a lot of fallouts. Hundreds of them. At least 100. Price went down 6%, 5%, 3%. That's interesting. Okay, we have 353 in contract. That's not very many. Okay, price, close date. Okay, we have this one here, Bluff Creek, 226, single family home, sold Friday probably, reported Saturday or Sunday, clean. $226, and where is it? Up the northwest. Okay. Before that, Las Vegas Boulevard, townhome, 736 square feet, sold for $74,000. Okay. Zero Las Vegas Spa area, this whole area there. Okay. $8,282, a lot of them closed on Friday. 7,500. 125, 150, 169, 1.5 million, 6,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, 3-car garage. The lakes. Sahara. Wiki. Okay. Well, that's it for that. And then of course we want to look at what's going on with pool homes. This is for the weekend. Let's just find out what's going on under contract for the last 180 days. Find out where we are here. Single family with pools, yes. 969. Most of them are over in the Summerlin. That's interesting. Very interesting. Days on the market. Jeez, a lot of these went in immediately. Price point 80,000 to 8.9 million. This one was market 145 days, brand new house. Nice house, contemporary but nice. Cold. Flying cloud. Way over in the southwest. Alright, well I think that's going to be it for today. And I will talk to you again later on this week. Have a great day. Bye.